Hello Trending Treasure family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting new and unique product Amazon Basics Digital Tire Inflator. Please subscribe my channel. A digital tire inflator is a portable and versatile device designed for maintaining and adjusting tire pressure. It features a digital display that allows users to accurately measure and inflate tires to the recommended pressure levels. These inflators are not only essential for routine tire maintenance but also serve as a valuable tool for handling emergency flat tire situations. A digital tire inflator is a must-have tool for every car owner, offering convenience, safety, and versatility in maintaining proper tire pressure and addressing inflation needs. Coming to the features. Made with high-quality ABS plastic and stainless steel for durability. Fast inflation can inflate 165-80 R14 car tires from 0 to 35 psi in under 10 minutes. Easy-to-use one-click feature to change pressure units between psi, kPa, bar, and kg per centimeter. Equipped with LED lights and an accurate HD digital pressure gauge for emergency assistance. Safety features include an auto shut-off function to prevent accidents. Compatible with Schrader valves on cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. Additional usage with an air-filling pin for inflating balls, air pillows, cushions, balloons, and mattresses quickly. Product specifications. Voltage 12V. Approximate weight 0.67 kilograms. Maximum pressure 150 psi. Power 120 W. Inflation time under 10 minutes. This digital tire inflator is a durable, efficient, and versatile tool for maintaining proper tire pressure and handling various inflation needs. Product link given in below description. Check, select and buy. Please subscribe my channel for better products and reviews. Thanks for watching.